So I'm going to the etymology of the word festival. So the word festival, I'm not even going to read all of it, all of that. It tells us that it stems from the word feast. Okay? Feast. So a festival is a feast. Now I'm not going to read through all of this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to jump to the root of where the word comes from. And the root of this word comes from the Latin festa, which means holy day. Now, remember that the Passover, the Feast of Unleavened Bread, comes in on the Sabbath. Okay? So on the Sabbath, we got to keep the day holy. We got to keep that day like we keep any other Sabbath. All right? So it's a day where we're not partying and being merry and joyous, because that pleases the flesh, right? So that's what it means. Holidays, was the word holiday goes back to holy day, feast. And right here it says festal banquets. We can stop right there. They got joyful, merry, but just because they give us all these different words don't mean they apply. We gotta eat the fish and pick the bones out. All right, pick the bones out of the information that we bringing out. Okay, so feast just simply means holy day. And when you eat, feast go into eating. We eating the Passover, the lamb, the unleavened bread, and we drinking the wine. That's it. Okay. It don't turn into a party, a festive event. All right. It's a solemn day. And Lord willing, this video was edifying. And I'm going to end it right there. Until the next one. Hey, shalom.